Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I am going to be doing a little unboxing of a Coach Nolita that I purchased maybe about a month ago, and I wanted to show you all this new Coach Nolita that I have. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so as stated, I have a little Coach item in this bag, but this is going to be one for me and one for you. This is going to be also my giveaway video, and as of right now I have two giveaways I'll be doing. One is going to be selected by me and the other one will be random. Now, there may be other winners. I'm not really sure how to structure this giveaway. Let me go ahead and open this item and then I will get to the giveaway instructions. So I got it in this bag right here. It is wrapped. So I'm sorry to the giveaway winner if I do end up giving both of these away. Well, I actually am giving both of these away, but I have to open it up to show you what it is. So I'm going to try to gently take this off. I'm going to take off from the side here. And I'll try to rewrap it if I can. Not really sure I will be able to, but look at that. This is a pink Coach Nolita. And the color is coming off pretty dark here on screen, but she is actually pink. You can kind of see against my shirt. It's a dark color. Let me get something else so I can kind of compare what this color is looking like. Hold on. Alright you guys, so you have seen this, and it's so beautiful on camera. And now you can see that color there. This is very close to my Chanel bag, actually, the color pink that this is. But you can see it's not as hot pink or fuchsia as this, but it is a pink color. Alright, so this is going to be one of the giveaway items. This has a leather strap here. It's pink on the inside. So the strap hooks like this. And this is very similar to my other pink Nolita that I have. I have a lighter pink one, almost the shade of my shirt. So there she is. And the other one is exactly like this. As a matter of fact, let me get the one that I already have so I can show you and kind of compare these pinks so you can get an idea of like what it looks like. Okay you guys, so here's my Chanel bag and here's this one. And you can see how those colors are very similar. There. And then I have my pink Nolita in this plastic here. I actually had like 5 of these and I sold 4 of them, and this one is the one that I still have. It is still in the wrapping because I actually have not used it, so I'm going to have to take it out the wrapping so you can see. This one is the one I have, and this one is the new one, and the one I have also has this leather strap on it as well, but you can see. Okay, so the rules of the giveaway is that there will be 2 winners. One will be by random and one is one that I will select. Now there is an interesting twist to this giveaway. If you are one who does not like pink, you do not want a Nolita, still enter this giveaway because I have other options in case you are not a fan of this Nolita or you want something else. I will give you a choice of a couple of other items that I have that you may possibly want. if this is not something that you may want. And if there's another winner, I will select another winner and kind of pass this on if you should choose to get something else. So still enter this giveaway. There are options for you to get something else if you do not want this, and I'll work with you and kind of send you what the other options are that I have to give away if you choose not to get the Nolita 15. Alright, so these are the two giveaways and I have those here. So the rules of the giveaway is, yes, you must be subscribed to my channel. I have to verify that you are subscribed to my channel, so if you're not, you definitely want to go ahead and subscribe so that you can be entered into the giveaway. You also have to like the giveaway video and comment one thing that you like about my channel or one thing that you dislike about my channel, something you would like to see me do on my channel, something you feel like my channel is lacking. I'm looking for any type of comment. If you just overall just like the channel, whatever it is you want to put, but if you have any suggestions on how I can grow my channel, how I can make my channel better, or what kind of videos you would like to see me do on this channel, definitely put those down below so I can keep the momentum going and definitely put out content that not only I like, but you all like to watch as well. So again, you must be a subscriber. Like this video and comment what you like about this channel, what you don't like about this channel, what you want to see me do on this channel, however you want to fit it into that category. I do appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel and supporting me thus far and growing the community on the Glam Fam. So I definitely want to show my appreciation and give back to you all who have been supporting me all these years. And so thank you again for watching into this giveaway, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.